Hey guys, since my brother in the first video didn't let me speak, well, as you can tell, if you watch my YouTube channel, you probably didn't see it yet, because we made it like just a second ago, but, our cat's missing. So if you are watching this now and you haven't seen part 1, go watch it. It's called My Cat is Missing. Go watch it to help us find our cat. Well, it's not gonna help, but I'm gonna tell you, he's a tabby cat. And he's like brown, white. He has like a bunch of different colors, and he has a teensy little white dot. So you see a cat that's like mixed up with colors, make sure, and he has orange eyes. And so if you see a little white dot on his nose, then that's it. You found my cat. But so yeah, I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you where I live. So if you find him, I don't know my mom's number. Maybe I can ask her to even let me tell them your number, or just tell you where we live. I'm gonna go ask her, so just give me a sec. No. Alright guys, so my mom said no, I can't tell you where I live or my phone number. So if you find a white dot, maybe I can ask her if I can say what her house. No, I'll ask her. Alright guys, I'm back. So when my mom said no, but yeah, she said no. She said no, like what her house looks like. So I can't tell you what her house looks like. But you found our cat. If you see a white dot on his nose, orange eye, mixed up colors, tabby cat. He's a boy though. So if you find a boy tabby cat, mixed up colors, orange eye, check his ass too, because
the only way to tell a cat's like it's a girl or a boy, you gotta take its ass. I know it's weird, but you gotta check its ass. I don't know why.
Okay. This might get demonetized.
But go with your parents so your parents can check his ass, because they can tell if it's a boy or a girl.
So yeah,
so make them.
Okay, they got it. Check the ass. They got it. Alright guys, I'm back. So my brother's kind of weird. So he has a white dot. He has orange eyes. He's a tabby cat. Oh my god! So I'm gonna name what he looks like. He's a boy. Oh my god. He's a boy. Okay, dude. Okay, guys. So he's a boy. He has orange eyes. He has a white dot on his nose. He's a tabby cat. He's a boy. He has a white dot on his nose, and he has mixed up colors. I need to go real quick. So I need to go quick. So I'm gonna end this video. If you found my cat, please